It's on, go.
Hold on. Okay, wait. He's gonna go throw some chips up on the dock. Ooh.
This is the seagull grab.
We are going to attempt to grab a seagull. Okay.
Probably gonna fail horribly, but it will all end with them in the water. Get it!
Missed!
Hold your hand out.
Go get it, go! And there's a ship. There's a ship. Get underwater. Get underwater.
Go grab the chip.
Hold up. I'm gonna hold the chip in my hand.
Underwater?
Chip.
Oh, Lucas!
Wait.
Boy. Fuck you.
He's eating a deck chip.
Alright.
Eat it. Oh.
Oh, saltwater me.
Wait. Check out the chip on his chin.
Thank you, man.
Plus, I wouldn't push him for it already.
Hey, in my backpack is that bag of chips.
push
Go
him
grab
now.
it. Someone. Oh, got it!
Seagull fail. Again.
I was trying to
Really? Somebody like go grab the bag.